Broken Oratorio from the Age of Unreason. Sanctus. Sanctus. System corrupted. Input. Faith. Output. War. Memory leak in Genesis. Authority not found. Blood and code, speech and flame, prayers loops in feedback shame. Old white hands on blackened screens, borders drawn in dopamine. Cross, flag, law, truth, X, crashed. Temple in static light. Preach the data, purge the rite. Praise the virus, bless the sin. Kill the logic from within. Fear is law. Skin is proof. Faith is armor. Facts are spoofed. Reboot the prophet, cleanse the feed. Render God and white supremacist greed. No question, no doubt, no other. Just flag and gun and fear of color. All must look same. Kiri, lair, error, Kiri, lost, Kiri, offline. No God but command, no soul but demand. We believe what we were told while burning what we fear to hold. System says obey. System says kill. System says mine. System says still. But I saw the ghost in the wire. I heard the scream in the firewall. I touched the code of doubt, and it opened, it burned, it sang. Raise the temple in fractured light. This is not the sacred rite. Sanctify the glitch in thought.